we're going to look at how you solve quadratics by hand, which is sometimes a requirement in some of the harder questions, especially those where the coefficients are given as variables, so you can't just stick them into your calculator. And to do it, we use the quadratic formula, which is given on your formula sheet. And it tells us that the solutions to an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c are found by putting a, b and c into the quadratic formula. The plus or minus means that we get two solutions, once for plus and once for minus. So we'll use it for this quadratic. A is 3, b is 11, c is 10, and we put it into the equation. 11 squared minus 4 times 3 times 10 is 1. So we have that, all divided by 6, and our answer is minus 5 over 3. And we do it again, and this time, instead of having the plus 1 here, we have the minus 1, and our solution is minus 2. So those are the two solutions to that equation. That is exactly the same as if you stuck them into your calculator in polynomial solver. Pretty simple, really. You stick A, B, C in, you apply it once for plus and once for minus. Things to watch out for are making sure that you bracket things very carefully, especially if A, B or C are a complex term like x plus 3, you must bracket and square all of them. Not doing it in one step helps. And very careful with the negative terms, because you can get negatives of negatives very easily. Here's one. We have A is 4, B is minus 49, and C is 12. And here we have to be careful. It's minus 49, and it's minus 49 squared. So that gives us plus 49. We could type that all into our calculator one go if we wanted, and the solution would be 12. And we'll do it again, this time with the minus solution, and our solution is a quarter. Just have to be careful that B is minus 49, and so at the start it's minus 49. So there we have it. The quadratic formula tells us the solutions to any equation written in the standard form for a quadratic are found by putting the coefficients a, b and c into the formula, doing it twice, once for a plus the square root, once for a minus the square root, with extreme care about putting values into such a complicated formula. If we're asked to do it in an algebraic equation where a, b or c are themselves algebraic terms, there's no difference, we just put them in and solve them as normal.